Hey everyone, welcome back to Food Prepping. Today we're going to be warming up these Kirkland Signature morning buns that I picked up at Costco. Now there is instructions printed on them, but sometimes, you know what, Costco leaves it off or it's misprinted. So if that happened to you, I am here to help you out. We have got everything that we need assembled here. You're of course going to need your little morning buns, and you're also going to need a cookie sheet, or in my case, a little brownie pan. If you don't have a pan or a cookie sheet of some sort, you could also just use some tin foil and just be very careful whenever you are taking it out of the oven. Now, first thing that we need to do is preheat our oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. And next, we're just gonna go ahead and open up our box of buns and pop them onto our tray. If you'd like to support this channel, the easiest way to do that is using our Amazon links the next time you shop there. All right, you could make as many or as few as you would like. I'm just gonna heat up 2 for today, and we're going to pop those into the oven for their recommendation of 5 to 7 minutes. I'm going to go ahead and check this at the 5-minute mark to make sure that they're not burning, and then I will come back and let you know exactly how long I warmed them up in my oven. Now, while those are warming up in the oven, I will go ahead and give you a couple tips. If you don't have an oven or you don't want to take the 5 minutes or so, you could pop these into your microwave for about 30 to 45 seconds. You don't want to overheat them because then they might get tough. They're not going to be as good as in the oven. However, you could do them that way. Or if you would like to use your air fryer, I would just set it for 350 and check them after about 4 minutes, because for me, my air fryer does cook a little bit faster than the oven. So you can do that, a few different options. If you like what we're doing here, please consider sending a super thanks. It helps us continue to provide more amazing content. All right guys, we are back, and it has been 8 minutes in my oven. I checked these at 5 minutes and the centers were still kind of firm, and I checked them again at 7 minutes. I felt like they needed just a hair more, so here we are at 8 minutes. The bottoms are not burnt, but they have a nice little golden color on it, so we're doing pretty good there. And whenever I push on the centers, there is some give there. So they seem to be nice and softened up. So we are gonna call this good. Here's our completed Costco Kirkland Signature morning buns heated up in the oven. If you guys would like to know how these taste, definitely check out our other channel, 5-Minute Eats, where we're gonna give you a full review and let you know if we would purchase them again or not. But in the meantime, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and we'll catch you next time. Bye. All right guys, that's the video. If you like what we're doing here, definitely check out our other channel, 5-Minute Eats, and don't forget to give us a like and subscribe.